In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a shipping label in WooCommerce. We'll be using the WooCommerce Shipping and Tax plugin, which is a fantastic tool to simplify your e-commerce operations. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to manage your shipping labels seamlessly. First, let's get started with installing the WooCommerce Shipping and Tax plugin. This plugin will be your best friend in managing shipping labels, taxes, and more, all from within your WooCommerce dashboard. To install the plugin, navigate to the Plugins section of your WordPress dashboard. Here you'll want to click on Add New to access the WordPress plugin directory. In the search bar, type in WooCommerce Shipping and Tax. You'll notice the plugin in the search results. Go ahead and click Install Now. And once the installation is complete, activate the plugin to integrate it into your WooCommerce setup seamlessly. With the plugin set up, let's move on to printing your shipping labels. Begin by going to the WooCommerce section in your dashboard, and then clicking on Orders. In this section, you will see a list of all your orders. Select the order for which you'd like to print a shipping label by clicking on it. This action will take you to a page with the detailed order information. On the right-hand side of this page, you'll see the Shipping Label section. Click on the Create Shipping Label option. Now it's time to enter some specifics about your package. You will need to input the package weight and dimensions. Make sure to be precise, as this information is essential for generating an accurate shipping label and calculating shipping costs correctly. The plugin will provide you with various shipping rates, and here you can select the most suitable option for you. For this example, we'll be choosing a USPS shipping rate. USPS is a popular choice due to its reliability and cost-effectiveness. After selecting your preferred shipping rate, the next step is to process the payment for the shipping. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this transaction securely. Once the payment is successfully processed, the system will generate a shipping label for you. Now, you can go ahead and print this label. The label is usually in a PDF format, making it easy to print using any standard printer. Simply download the PDF and open it on your computer, and then select the print option. And there you have it. You've successfully printed a shipping label directly from WooCommerce using the WooCommerce Shipping and Tax plugin. This process not only saves time, but also ensures your labels are accurate and professional. If you have any further questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out or consult the plugin's support documentation for more guidance. Thanks for watching, and happy shipping!